So this is what this section of the town look like.
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan, big up yourself. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you some footage of us going to Christiana. Now, Christiana is the town that is closest to the community that I'm originally from. And so I frequented Christiana a lot in my childhood and in my teen years. So I used to have to go to Christiana in order to get myself to transit through Christiana to get to school. And when we needed to go to the town, Christiana was the town that I would go to first and foremost before heading on to Mandeville or Spalding's. And I haven't been in Christiana for a long time because the last time we went up that end, we drove via the bypass because there's a bypass that was built a little while ago. So we went the bypass rather than through the town. So I haven't seen in the town for a long while. And as it is when you go to somewhere that you haven't been for a while, it looks very different because there would have been a lot of changes in the town from what you can recall. And so there were quite a bit of change in terms of things being relocated elsewhere and also further development. So shopping complexes being built or improvement made to buildings that were already there. And so you could see the obvious differences as we walked through the town. And it was also a thing where when you are young and a young child or a teenager and you see things, when you grow up and you have an exposure to seeing different things and you come back to have a look at those things again, they do tend to look different to how you have imagined or how you remember them. So it was a walk down memory lane, just going back and having a look to see what Christiana looks like. We went there, of course, because we needed to go to sort out some stuff. So I'm going to show you that footage of us going up there and the different things that we had a chance to look at and the experience that we had revisiting Christiana, one of the, if not the coldest town in Jamaica. So here is the footage for you now. So here we are in the coldest town, or one of the coldest town in Jamaica. We're in Christiana. This was my teenage and childhood playground. And now we're here, if you can see one of the church behind me, and I'm standing right at one of the old-time petrol stations and come meet up with my father. And the police station is just up the way from here. Christiana looks so different to what I remember. So if you can see the building behind this yellow one, that's the police station over there. Yeah, and up at that little intersection is the road to where the van is turning, is the road to go down to the secondary school. And this is the view coming from the police station going down NCB and all the other spots. Such a different view to the view I remember, but it's still a good opportunity to see what Christiana looked like now. So many more new complexes and improvements to buildings, and that's always going to be a good thing. The road is still buzzing and bustling as I remembered it. So this is what this section of the town looked like as well. So very different. I don't know if anyone recalls the market area, but now that's the shopping district in front of the market, and the market is behind it. You can see the building down there. But like before, this is the Super Plus that I recall, stretching back to the back down there. This is now also a taxi rank, which it wasn't before from my memory, and there's one on that street as well. And then up in the distance up there beyond that blue building, with the building with the red top, is where the Juicy Beef is, and Sildian Port, which is the other shopping centre that I remember.
Come in. No, you can't hold that.
Which one should we go? Domino's or Wendy's?
The girl with the pigtails.
Domino's or Wendy's?
The girl with the pigtails.
Whew. So, is that the one you want to go to?
The girl with the pigtails.
Okay, let's see.
She works.
So, we're going to Wendy's then, yeah?
One day I want to test delivery from Beach to Domino's because they do delivery.
Okay.
But not today. Maybe another time.
After you. Yep, it's a pull. So we decided to go to Wendy's, and I've got the crispest chicken sandwich and mango peach. So grape used to be my thing, now it's mango peach. I like that taste. And that's the crispy chicken sandwich. And I like that their fries is sort of like wedges or with the skin on it. So what did you get?
8-piece combo with the only good drink.
Which is what?
Orange pineapple.
Okay. And what does the nuggets taste like? Okay, well, bon appetit. Whew, after lots of running around and busyness in the town center, we decide we're going to come to the park and relax. Somebody's looking beat, tired, shattered from all the adventuring today. So this is what the park looks like earlier. Which park?
Cecil Charleston.
Cecil Charlton Park, indeed.
They have free Wi-Fi too.
Have you logged on to the free Wi-Fi?
It doesn't work.
Okay.
Same as the one in the other place.
Where, Christiana? Okay. So over there, some people still in the park sitting. It was much packed when we came. More people were here, and some other people up there. So now it's people are going. It's not as hot now as it gets into the afternoon, but it's quite a nice, refreshing one. We were just here discussing about this tree and how old it must be. Look at its trunk. Look at the size of that thing. That's a good thing. Yeah, put your arm up to it. Let's see. Look at that, to give you an idea of how big that trunk is. And that's what the canopy looked like. Massive tree here in the park. It's lovely. What's it called though? Good to know. I don't think it's labeled on it what the name of the tree is. And I don't know what it's called. Tell us in the comments below if you know what it's called.
I want to film a TikTok here.
You'd want to film a TikTok? Okay. Well, you want to do it now? Okay. So somebody is feeling to do something creative in the park. So we're going to see how she gets on with that. And if she does, then we'll show you what she made up or what she came up with.
Your ART.
friend of mine brought me some fruits, and I've already had about 3 of them, and it is so amazing. I have never seen them this big before, but I think they went and they decided they're going to pick some off a tree directly from the tree, and then brought me some because they were coming my way. And this one is ripe, so I'm going to just wash. And then I'm going to eat. Awesome. And that's delicious. A little taste of Jamaica right here. I have not been to Christiana in such a long while, and now in the space of a week I am here twice. So that's the post office for those people who don't remember what it looks like. That's coming from Holyville, Silent Hill, Trelawney, Craighead, Troy, that sort of end. As you come in and you see the post office on this side, on Main Street. And then if you look up at the top up there, this is a tree that I'm under. It's been here for as long as I can remember. The oldest trees. Hello. And there is the police station. And behind me over there is the road that takes you down to the secondary school. So this is what this part of Christiana looks like, and we'll walk down together and view some other parts of it. Spot here, I remember it used to be the old tax office, and apparently now it's a supermarket. And over on the other side opposite, it's National Commercial Bank. From my memory, this used to be Sinclair's, and now it looks like it's an investment company that's there. So it's just changes, and so this is the thing. Those kids are going to school. See the different color top? So they are going to the secondary school. And these ones with that color top behind me, they are finishing. So you have 2 different colors. One going, one coming back from school. As the changeover happens in the day now. Just like that. So it's always amazing to see when you have shift schools and how they operate. But yeah, so last time I recall, there was a court, but apparently the court has now moved. And if you can see in the distance, the sign showing down there where it's down on the street next to Superplus. And so where it was before, that I can recall, was down here. And apparently Jamaica National is down there now. Also selling from there. Vibes up. They still not get familiar yet. You see over there in the back, people in those queues going to the cash point. Still can't get my head around it. But it's how it is. Christiana is still a vibrant town, like I remember it. Hindalco. Oh, isn't it called Hindalco now? I thought so. Hindalco.
Compared there, yeah.
Yeah. The funny thing is, I haven't been there in such a long time, but yet I was able to go there twice in the space of about 7 days. So, and it was a good feel to just walk around in the town again and to just take everything in and just see how things have changed, and recognizing how important it is that we recognize that things are going and time is going to evolve. And so too should our traditions and our custom evolve to meet the demands of life's newness that it throws at us, and for new generations that are coming into existence and taking over the space, that we give them room to and guidance in order to evolve and make their experience of the space that they're occupying a better experience for them. Last week it was so hot. And this week it has cooled down quite significantly, and now we're having rain as well. Look at that. You can see the water running, gushing off of the staircase, just to give you an idea of how this rain is pouring down. And I was talking earlier to my mom in the UK, and she was telling me that, you know, it's been raining for them in the UK this week as well. So I guess we're sharing some of that rain too, as the place is getting its nice cool down that it needs this point in the year. Thank you so much for staying with us on this episode as well. We thank you for liking and sharing. We're very grateful for all of the support that you have been giving us here on the channel, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. So bye for now. Have a good one, and we'll see you in the next one. So bye for now. See you in the next one.